Hello friends, and welcome back to the Fallen Tree. Today, I got a special episode on cutting wood cookies. I'm going to be doing a project here shortly at the cabin, if you haven't seen it, it's in my Just for Fun series. And I build this cabin with the help of my tractor and my sawmill. And pretty much everything we do is out of the wood that I cut. So I got these cherry logs here. I cut them a while back. I put a sealer on the end so it didn't crack so much as it started to dry. And now I'm going to make some cookies with it on the sawmill. Probably going to be making like 1/4-inch cookies. They're going to be really thin for the project I got coming up. You'll have to stay tuned to see what that is on next one. But let me show you how I'm going to do it and how I make cookies on the sawmill. So the first thing I do is secure a cant that I cut earlier in previous videos. I get that secured up against the log dogs, and then I take a construction screw, 2 of them in each log, and screw them down. As you can see, the logs are tightly against each other, supporting each other as I cut. Here's an example of the construction screws I use. And then it's off to cutting the desired thickness that I'm looking for. So for this particular project that I'm working on, I'm trying to get some pretty thin cookies here. You can cut them as thick or as thin as you'd like. These ones are about 3/16 thick. I don't think I can go much thinner than that without them falling apart, or else I would for this project. But here's a finished look at some of them. All different sizes, uniform thickness. Cutting cookies can be easy with the right setup. So keep an eye out for the project I'm using these for. It's going to be spectacular at the end. And if you like this video, click like, subscribe, share it with your friends. And as always, thanks for watching. I can't wait to see you on the next part of my journey.